Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert table in Microsoft Word. Now, in order for us to proceed, I have this document right here, and we're going to go ahead and work our way in here. So the first thing that we're going to do is click the insert right here, and there are actually three ways in order for us to insert a table here, or four if you include the spreadsheet. Now, the first way is here. You can go ahead and decide how many rows and columns you'd want to add. So you can go ahead and maximize it or have it this way, 7 by 6 is maximum. Now this is actually gonna limit the number of rows and tables that you're gonna do. So let's just go ahead and put something maximum there, and then let's go ahead and click the insert once again in order for us to customize it this time. So click insert table right here, and we're gonna go ahead and decide, say for example, if we want to insert let's say just 6 columns, but the rows, let's go ahead and put it like the 10 for example. Now go ahead and click OK right here, and as you can see, we're able to create more row. So yep, that's great. Now another way that we can do, we can have this done is by actually drawing the table. So the way we're gonna do that is we click the insert right here, table, and then draw table. So from here, I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit, and then you can actually go ahead and start making drawing your table. So that, for example, all right, and then you can go ahead and create another one here. So this would be great if you want to customize the table that you are going to use, especially if you want to make something that's gonna be better for the design that you are thinking. So yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. Congratulations, now you know how to create table or how to add tables here in Microsoft Word.